Hi everyone, Sherry here.
Tonight for supper, we'll be making pomegranate chicken. What all goes into the pomegranate chicken? 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, 1/2 cup pomegranate molasses, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 garlic cloves, minced. I'm going to use the already minced stuff, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup fresh pomegranate seeds for garnish, fresh cilantro or parsley chopped for garnish. So let's begin. Take a bowl, whisk together the 1/2 cup of pomegranate molasses. This isn't as thick and sticky as regular molasses, so I did not spray it. The 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the 3 cloves of minced garlic, the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, the 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, the 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, the 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. And whisk that all together until thoroughly mixed. And set that aside. So lay your chicken in a big bowl. And then take your pomegranate marinade and pour it all over the chicken. And you want it totally covered. Cover that up and let it sit in the refrigerator for a minimum of 30 minutes, up to 4 hours or more. The longer you leave it in there, the more intense the flavor. Preheat the oven to 400. So if you're going to sear the chicken, take a drizzle of oil and heat it up over medium heat. So after the oil is heated up, take your chicken and lay it skin side down. And sear it for 3 or 4 minutes on the one side. And then let it cook on the second side for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after you've seared it on both sides, if you have an oven-safe skillet, you can put it in the oven just like it is. I don't, so I'm going to transfer it to a baking dish. I did lightly grease my dish. So put your pomegranate chicken in a preheated 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. If it starts to caramelize too quick, you can lightly cover it with foil. So 5 minutes before it is done, remove it from the oven. If you have foil, remove the foil. Then take some more of the pomegranate molasses and brush it over the top of the chicken. And this will just make the glaze more intense. And then put it back in the oven for the last 5 minutes or until it reads 165 internally on an instant read thermometer. So here is the pomegranate chicken topped with chopped cilantro and fresh pomegranate seeds. Rounding out the meal is mashed potatoes and gravy and a sweet Hawaiian roll. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This smells, I don't know, smells kind of orientally.
That is pomegranate chicken.
So you got soy sauce or something in it?
No. It's got pomegranate molasses.
Well, I smelled something that was kind of sweet, but
And it does have a bone, so.
yeah, kind of hard to do this gracefully for the camera. It's got a lot of tartness to it. It's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.